Hello, ladies, gentlemen, and NBs.
At some point in the planet's natural history, some group of early heterotrophs, that's organisms that eat organic stuff, began operating cooperatively as colonial organisms. These colonies formed small plates on the sea floor, and thus I will call these organisms placozoans, or plate animals. Again in bad ancient Greek. I swear, Google Translate Latin is the standard for this series. But anyway, they'll become multicellular organisms when they develop a softish pole to stand up on. I'll call this the main body, and having this feature will make them much better at filter feeding. This will take these placozoans from being a small niche group of early heterotrophs to a widespread clade found all over the planet's oceans. And furthermore, some forms may evolve fat, others may begin using sexual reproduction, but they will only become true animals when they develop muscles to more accurately get at food particles. I'll call this phylum Radiozoa, or circle animals. It'll make sense later, I promise. Again in bad ancient Greek. And they will fill analogous niches to animals on Earth. This kingdom is to be defined as multicellular heterotrophic organisms with a main body and a frill-like feeding structure with fat and muscles from Planet Emigin. And the ancestral forms don't have sexual reproduction, though many clades of Radiozoa will. And Placozoa is just a group of colonial heterotrophs from Planet Emigin. And I'll describe all forms in between these two extremes as protozoans, which technically means early animals, but let's be honest, I'm using the early 21st century English meaning of the word, an incomplete form of something. So the name really means incomplete animals, which is a very accurate name to describe them, in my opinion. But it's technically inaccurate, but I already am using bad ancient Greek, so yeah.
Hey, end of the video. So yeah, I apologize for last episode's outro. One thing iMovie sometimes does is it'll, for some reason, when I have to insert 2 bits of video into the thing, they'll insist on the thing blacking out in between them repeatedly. So that's why there was that black thing, the black blacking out flashing on last episode's outro. It was really stupid. I know. I've made sure that isn't happening this time, but yeah. This one was pretty quick to get out. It's pretty simple. Yeah, I think I'm with next episode. There's one clade I'm doing in it, but there's another clade that's gonna be taking longer to make. But the first clade would be done in basically like it'd be a 30-second episode. But the next episode would take quite a while to come out if I included both. So, and I have reason to be settled on the order of the first clade, then that second clade. So yeah. I'm probably gonna do them together, which might take long, but I might just do them separately. I don't know yet. Again, apologies for last episode.